Ja sam David Vujnović.
Ja sam Ivan Adžić.
Ja imam 14 godina.
17,5 godina.
Koliko dugo se bavite ovim sportom?
Ja vozim godinu dana.
2 godine.
Kako se zove ovaj sport točno?
BMX.
BMX biciklizam.
What? You wanna battle me? Yo, man, how much money you got? What? You wanna battle me? Yo, man, how much money you got?
I used to guzzle 40s and own a beat-up caddy. Since the hood still love me, I'll turn the heat up, daddy. I went from Mac and fly honeys on the train to straight relaxing on the beach, counting money, getting brain. Soon as you rappers get a chance, you wanna floss a lot. You buy an iced out watch because it costs a lot. Then you in the club, styling with dough, profiling with hoes that we bone a while ago. You rookies haven't done enough laps around the track. You had one hot single, but then your album sounds whack. Son, you bore me with your war stories. You ain't even do that shit, so that's just more stories. How you expect us to take you serious?
Imate bike park, zašto niste tamo?
Smo neuređeni.
Loše je napravljeno i...
Jel bi se moglo ovo što tu izvodite izvesti na bike parku?
Da, puno bolje.
Ali na ovom bike parku kakav je sad?
Kakav je sad, ne?
Ali kad bi bio uređen, onda...
What? You wanna battle me? Yo, man, how much money you got?
Bitch, you don't even know the half about me. I bring it straight to your chest. Ask your staff about me. I'm just a little bit older, plus a whole lot wiser. I might advise you, or I might pulverize you. I can visit any city, get respect in the street. While you alone in your room, shook to death for the streets. I'll take a second to speak. I keep my weapon in reach. I ain't talking romance, but you'll get swept up your feet. I keep some ghetto chick that loves to blast and she metal shit. Groupies fake moves, I get her to settle shit. You can't compare.
Šta kažete, koliko puta ste se razbili?
Pa opasno je, ali ništa strašno. Za sad, naši trikovi, ali kasnije ozljeda ima.
Pokaži malo ruku.
To je za sad sitno, kako je znamo biti.
Pokaži ti.
Au, sam mnoge ožiljci.
Ajoj. Jel biste preporučili drugima da to rade?
Da. Zabavno.
Svakom slučaju.
Koliko je opasno, toliko je i zabavno.
Što vam kažu roditelji?
Mene podržavaju.
Podupiru nas.
A što kada se polomite?
Pa ništa, ta će s nama.
About to slap rappers around. You know the drill. Be thorough to the head. About to slap rappers around.